Acheh, West Papua, South Moluccas joint statement. This year, on 10 December 2023, the United Nations will commemorate the 55th anniversary of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Since its adoption 75 years ago, the Declaration has become a roadmap for fundamental rights and freedoms, such as the right to self-determination and for protecting the rights of every individual, group, or nation. Through these long years, much progress has been achieved, but the promises of the Declaration have been constantly under a sustained assault and threat. The Republic of Indonesia is such an example. Since its birth, Indonesia has been violating most of the very principles of the Declaration, especially towards the peoples of Aceh, West Papua, and South Moluccas. We have been continually denied a right to freedom, dignity, and justice. It is in that spirit that we are committed to defending our people's inalienable right to self-determination. On behalf of our peoples in Aceh, West Papua, and South Moluccas, we will also intend to organize some joint actions relating to the 75th anniversary in various countries around the world. We will prevail.
Aceh,
Merdeka!
Maluku,
Merdeka!
Papua,
Merdeka!
semua.
Merdeka!